On today's episode of Eating Our Feelings, lemonade. Why? Because you're worth it. Let's get to it.
I have limes with mine as well. I have a little plastic lemon squeezer thingamajig that actually fits pretty decent on my 4-cup measure. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the lemon in the microwave for 20 seconds. That is going to help release its lemony goodness. And play with the puppy. To speed this up, you can do more than one lemon at a time, but you might have to adjust the timing on the microwave. So for 2 lemons, I usually do about 30 seconds. You don't want to put them in forever. Once your lemon is done, it's going to be nice and warm, and you're going to roll it on your cutting board. And that's going to pop all the little sections in the lemon and make the juice come out so much easier, and you will get so much more. Take a knife. Slice your lemon in half, then juice your lemon. And put the leftovers in a bowl. And then proceed to do the exact same thing for the rest of your lemons. Limes, same thing. Microwave, cut, juice. Nice and soft. This one sprung a leak. And actually was able to squirt most of the lemon juice right out of the lemon through the tiny hole. Juice it, juice it, juice it, juice it, juice it. Alright, finally. Got all that done. And just toss those in the compost. I ended up with just short of 2 cups of juice, which is pretty darn good in my opinion. So I have 2 cups of lemon juice. So to make 2 cups of simple syrup, I used 1 2/3 cup of sugar and 1 2/3 cup of water. Simple syrup is just an even mix of sugar and water. Pop it on the stove and boil it. Just be careful to give it a stir so the sugar doesn't burn on the bottom. I boiled it probably for about 2 minutes. Why are you out of focus? Add your lemon juice. Add your simple syrup. I could have let it cool down, but I didn't. And add 4 cups of water. I just used tap water because that's what I had. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I got my proportions wrong. Oh well, make lemonade however you see fit. So this lemonade recipe is 2 cups of juice, 2 cups of simple syrup, and 4 cups of water. Add some ice because we don't want to let the whole thing chill for an hour. Pour your juice. Save the turtles. Voila. Great for any summer day. Don't know what real lemonade tastes like because you've never had it unless you made it. And if you're having a day, you can also hide things in it. But I won't say nothing. Take care. Bye-bye.